bandage, bandage, elastic bandage, adhesive tape, antiseptic, ointment, alcohol, poison, blood sample, syrup, hand sanitizer, hand wash, medicine, capsule, pills, tablets, blood bag, IV bag, test tube, syringe, surgical scissors, crutch, dental pick, thermometer, tweezer, pen torch, insulin pen, digital thermometer, scalpel, headlight, head mirror, mercury sphygmomanometer, Android sphygmomanometer, digital sphygmomanometer, stethoscope, scrub, rubber gloves, surgical cap, surgical mask, ambulance, stretcher, cotton ball, first aid kit, glasses, pregnancy test kit, tray, kidney tray, micropipette, cannula, ORS, saline, braces, contact lens, weighing scale, inhaler, nasopharyngeal airway, oropharyngeal airway, laryngeal tube, caustic pencil, IV drip stand, cane or walking stick, blood transfusion set, blood and fluid warmer, walker, wheelchair, catheter, cold pack, hospital bed, air mattress, bedpan, medical cramp, glucometer, oxygen mask, Miller Abbott tube, cotton swab or earbud, ECG machine, patient monitor, gauze, face shield, medical record, intravenous or IV, electric stretcher trolley, gurney, examining table, ICU bed, enema bulb, operational table, feeding tube, saline tube, laryngoscope, resuscitator, plaster cast, splint, sling, tourniquet, pulse oximeter, X-ray, X-ray machine, ventilator, tongue depressor, speculum, ABG machine, DBT pump, anesthetic machine, EEG machine, bedside pulse oximeter, BiPAP machine, color Doppler machine, dialysis machine, crash cart, electronic needle cutter, defibrillator, ETCO2 monitor, hearing aid, MRI machine, high flow nasal cannula, oxygen tanks, keratometer, oxygen concentrator, ophthalmoscope, otoscope, suction machine, volumetric infusion pump, syringe pump, ultrasonic nebulizer, video laryngoscope, walking boot, vein viewer,